Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Apple Watch Series 9 without touchscreen. So if your touchscreen is not responding and you want to use your Apple Watch Series 9 without a touchscreen, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you need to turn on and set up your touch accommodation on Apple Watch. So press the digital crown once, click on settings, scroll down to accessibility, click on it. Scroll down accessibility until you get to touch accommodation. So just scroll down, locate and click on touch accommodation. Once you selected touch accommodation, turn this on, then scroll down. Here you see hold duration. The duration you must touch the screen before the touch screen is recognized. Then turn this on. Now use the digital crown to adjust the duration like this. So this is going to make sure the duration responds faster. Now for you to go back, you just need to use the touch accommodation like that. You want to scroll up, press and hold it until the circle complete. Then you should see your Apple Watch scroll up. Repeat the same thing, you see that? Now, if you want to go back on your Apple Watch using touch accommodation, hit the back button, and if this is not working, just press and hold it until the circle complete. Then let it go. You should see your device going back. Again, press and hold it, wait for the cycle to complete, and then it's going to go back. Now, if you want to select anything on your Apple Watch Series 9 using touch accommodation, just press and hold it until the cycle is complete. You want to wait until the cycle is completed, otherwise you'll not be able to go back. So you need to set up touch accommodation on your Apple Watch before you can use it. So press and hold it, and then you're good. Now, if you want to turn off this, just scroll down until you get to accessibility. Press and hold the accessibility until the circle is complete. Then use the digital crown to scroll down as well. Keep scrolling until you get to touch accommodation. Press and hold it as well. Once you press and hold it, hang on. Then scroll down, locate, hold duration, press and hold it to turn it off. Then you should see it turned off, and then you can now go ahead and then turn off touch accommodation, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to use your Apple Watch Series 9 without touchscreen. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.